Hi, watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. For past some days, we are witnessing heat wave conditions, and temperature has also crossed above 45-degree mark. So now, whether there is any relief in coming days or what kind of weather condition will remain in coming days, to know this, we are having with us Dr. P.K. Kingra, head of the meteorology department over here at Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. Welcome, ma'am, to The Sovera.
Thank you.
Ma'am, what is the present weather condition and are we expecting any kind of relief in coming days?
Currently, daytime temperature is near normal, whereas nighttime temperature is above normal. Today's daytime temperature is 39.4 degrees centigrade, which is above normal by zero point 0.3 degrees centigrade. So we can say it's near normal. But today's nighttime temperature is 27.4 degrees centigrade, which is above normal by 4.4 degrees centigrade.
Right. Ma'am, have we recorded any record temperatures, record high temperatures so far?
During a couple of days before, we had heat wave conditions in the region, and on 20th May we observed this season's highest daytime temperature of 45.4 degrees centigrade at Ludhiana, so which was highest till date for this season. And for 20th May it was highest since 1970, so it was record highest for 20th May, 45.4 degrees centigrade. But after that there was some effect of western disturbance in the region, so due to which we observed fall in temperature, and today it's 39.4 degrees centigrade. And if we see the weather conditions for the coming days, today and tomorrow there can be gusty winds or light rain in some of the districts in Punjab. Today, the districts for this category are northern districts, northeastern, some central districts, and some southwestern districts. And tomorrow, only some northern or northeastern districts are there. But for other districts, heat wave conditions are likely to prevail. So today and tomorrow there is orange alert for a few districts and yellow alert for the remaining districts. But
And
from
this yellow alert is for gusty winds or this is for the heat wave?
for some southern districts, it's for heat wave. For other districts, it's for gusty winds and lightning or thundering.
Right. In past few days, IMD had issued orange alert for entire Punjab. So, in coming days, is there any further alert or is there any kind of relief?
Yes, from 24th May onwards, again we are going to have severe heat wave conditions, and IMD has given orange alert for all the districts for heat wave from 24th May onwards.
Yeah, but are you expecting that we can have then we can have intense heat wave condition over here?
Yes, because there is orange alert for all the districts from 24th May onwards, so we can have severe to very severe heat wave conditions during those days.
And like you mentioned that on May 20th, the temperature has already crossed 45-degree mark. So it is expected that it can cross further.
Presently, it is 39 degrees centigrade, so it can increase in the coming days.
What suggestions you want to give to the residents?
I'll suggest that we should avoid direct exposure during peak hours, and we should restrict our outdoor activities. Then, whenever you go out, you must be properly covered and take healthy diet and plenty of liquids. That is most important.
Ma'am, how long this heat wave conditions will remain?
For coming 4 to 5 days, they are likely to prevail.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So she's Dr. P.K. Kingra, head of the meteorology department over here at Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. So she mentioned that as in past some days they were alert by the orange alert by the IMD. So now for 2 days there is a yellow alert in some of the district, including Ludhiana. That these yellow districts having yellow alert, they will have they can witness gusty winds as well as light rainfall. But from 24th of May for 4 to 5 days there are again heat wave conditions. The orange alert has been issued by the IMD for across this for all the districts across the state. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to the Sovera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.